Yuri Alemao has raised a strong objection to a controversial fishmeal project being set up in private area of his constituency. According to him, the Investment Promotion Board has granted a license for a project despite encroaching on municipal and societal land. Alemao warned that the project threatens traditional practices and local aquifers, and he emphasized that such developments cannot proceed unchecked. He has sent formal representations to Chief Minister, the Town and Country Planning Department, and Minister Vishwajit Rane demanding that the license be revoked and the matter reviewed urgently. The MLA also cautioned that the people of Cuncolim are closely monitoring the situation and are ready to act if the issue is mishandled. He stressed that this project must be managed with care to avoid law and order problem and promised that under his tenure unauthorized projects will not be allowed to proceed.
Although this is pertaining to my constituency आणि आम्ही मुख्यमंत्री लागी आतांय आनी एक लेटर पत्र दिलेले आसा खास करून with regards to two important issue in my constituency. एक regarding a controversial fish meal project that is coming in a private area. Investment Promotion Board has given them a license, but this fish will go on impacts private limited. वो बारशाच्या गावांत येतालो, वो इलिगली तेमी आतां कुंकोळ हाडपाचो प्रयास केला आनी हितून कोण पार्टनर आहाय कोण कितें आहा तेजेर हांव चड उलोयना पूण दीस वील नेवर सी द डे ऑफ द लायफ. इलिगॅलिटीज करून रस्तो जो म्युनिसिपॅलिटीचो एनक्रोच करून कुंकोली म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिल हॅड रिजॉल्व दॅट दीस पर्टिक्युलर इशू जे पण लायसन्स दिवपाक जाय तें रिवोक करपाक जाय. नंबर 2, दे हॅव एनक्रोच इन टू सोशेदाद लँड, दे हॅव एनक्रोच इन टू म्युनिसिपल एरिया एंड टुडे हेंगे दादागिरी इतली जालेली आसा. हेंगेले ह्या सरकारान आनी थोडेशे आमदार गॉडफादर आहाय. त्या आमदारांक हांव सांगपाक सोदतां, डोंट प्ले वीथ कुंकोळकार्स. वी आर रेव्होल्युशनरी पीपल एंड आर पीपल जे हे फिश मील प्रोजेक्ट आमी केन्ना थिंगा येवपाक दिवपा ना. द पीपल आर वॉचिंग एंड दे वील क्रिएट अ रिवोल्ट. दुसरें, आमी आनी एक जेन्ना पयलेच आमदार जाले पांजोरकोणीच्या गांवांत थिंगा उस्किणियाक ह्या जाग्यार एक आमचो एक एक्वायर कसो एक दोंगोर आहा. थिंगा आमचो राखणदार आसता आनी ती तेगेली वाट आनी आमी विश्वजीत राणेक सांगलोलें की त्या हे कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल प्रोजेक्टान जो एक हिल आसा थिंगा ते लायसन्स रिवोक करपाक जाय म्हणून. रिवोक जालें, दे वेंट टू कोर्ट बेस्ड ऑन नॅचरल जस्टीस. त्याच नंतर आतां आनी आंकोडे दे हॅव फोर्स्ड द चीफ ऑफिसर टू गिव द लायसन्स एंड आय हॅव रिटर्न टू द Town and Country Planning TCP, to Chief Minister and to Vishwajit Rane as well, that this type of projects where traditional ways and these are aquifers don't make us take us to law and order situation करपाक एकोना काय. दोन्ही हे प्रोजेक्ट रद्द जावपाक जाय. Again, that is why I got delayed. I gave another representation again to the Chief Minister that he needs to look into it and look into it very seriously. And whoever are behind this, godfather, godmother, god sister, तांकांय सांगपाक सोदता that these type of projects we will never allow. Till I am MLA of Cuncolim, you will never be able to see. कितले आहाय ते कराय तुम्ही.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.